Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've just purchased one of my Canva templates, or if you're new here and you're curious about how to get started with editing a Canva template, you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know, step by step. From accessing your template to customizing it with your own style, I'll show you how to do it. So let's get started. Okay, first things first. After completing your purchase, you should receive an email or PDF from me with a link to your Canva template. The email will be titled, "Thank you for your purchase. Here's your Canva template." If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or promotions folder just in case. Inside that email, you'll find a button or a link that says, "Access your template here." This is where the fun begins. All you need to do is click on that link, and it will take you directly to Canva. So go ahead, click the link, and let's move on to the next step. Now, if you already have a Canva account, that's great. You'll be taken straight to your template. But if you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Signing up is super easy and it's completely free. When you click the link, Canva will ask you to log in or sign up. If you already have an account, just enter your credentials and you're good to go. But if you're new to Canva, you can sign up in a couple of different ways. You can sign up with your Google account, your Facebook, or simply by entering your email address and creating a password. If you sign up with Google or Facebook, it's super quick, just a couple of clicks and you're in. If you choose email, it'll take a few extra seconds to fill in your details, but it's still super simple. Once you've signed up and logged in, Canva will take you right to your template. Now that you're logged in and on the template page, we're ready to start. But before you dive into editing, you'll need to make a copy of the template. This ensures that you can personalize it without affecting the original. To do this, click on a button that says Use Template for New Design. Go ahead and click that. Canva will automatically create a copy of the template in your account, and from there, you'll be able to customize it however you like. This is a super important step because it's always a good idea to have a backup of the original template in case you want to start fresh later. Let's start with the text. Click on any text box and you'll see a cursor appear. Now, you can just type in your own text. Want to change the font? No problem. Just highlight the text and choose a new font from the options at the top of the screen. There are tons of fonts to choose from, so you can make your design truly unique. Next, let's talk about colors. To change the color of any element, click on it, and a color box will pop up. You can select a new color from the palette or enter a specific hex code if you have brand colors you want to use. This is where you can really personalize the template to match your style or brand. If the template has images, you can replace them too. Just click on any image and you'll see an option to replace. Upload your own images, drag and drop them into place, and they'll fit perfectly into the design. If you want to add more design elements like icons, graphics, or even more text boxes, Canva makes it super easy. Just click on the Elements tab on the left side, and you'll find all sorts of options, shapes, lines, photos, and more. Search for what you want, and drag it into your design. One thing I love about Canva is that you can layer elements. So if you want one item in the foreground and another behind it, you can use the Position option to move elements forward or backward. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save and download it. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a Share button, then Download. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose your file format. You can download your design as a PNG, JPG, or PDF, whatever works best for you. Once you've chosen your format, just click Download, and your design will be saved to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and personalized your Canva template. Now you can use it however you like, whether you're printing it, sharing it online, or sending it to clients. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.